Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. Today's video is about the macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4 update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Apple provided developers with the fourth beta of an upcoming macOS Sequoia 15.4 update for testing purposes. The new beta is available a week after Apple released the third beta. To update your Mac to macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4, open System Settings, then go to the Software Update section, then check for updates. Here, you can see the update is available for my device. This macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4 update size is around 2.44 gigabytes for my device. Click on Update Now, and then agree to the SLA to begin the update on your device, and enter the password when prompted. And you can see the device has been successfully updated to macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4, and the build number is 24E5238A. macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4 brings mail categorization to the Mac, reorganizing the Mail app into dedicated categories like Transactions, Updates, Promotions, and Primary, a category that surfaces the most important emails first. The update brings a range of new emoji characters to the Mac. For Apple News Plus subscribers, there is a dedicated News Plus food section with recipes, articles about restaurants, and other related content. There's a new sketch style in Image Playground, the option to create memory movies in the Photos app, and Apple Intelligence is expanding to new languages. We've covered the exciting changes in this build, and now let's dive into the release notes for macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4. The macOS 15.4 SDK is here to help you develop amazing apps for Mac computers running Sequoia 15.4 Beta 4. You'll find the SDK included with Xcode 16.3, which you can grab from the Mac App Store. Regarding Apple Intelligence known issues, after restoring macOS 15.4, some Apple Intelligence features might not be available, or you might see downloading support. Workaround is restarting your device might resolve the issue. Regarding automatic assessment configuration resolved issues, fixed. Assessment session might be interrupted in high memory use conditions. Regarding FSKit new features, FSKit is now available, enabling delivery of user space file systems as application extensions. These file systems support integration with disk arbitration. Regarding game controller resolved issues, fixed. Game controllers might stop responding when accessibility features, such as VoiceOver, are enabled. Regarding networking resolved issues, fixed on Ethernet 169, 254.169.250 causes functionality issues on CI build machines due to local network privacy restrictions. Regarding podcasts, new features, Podcast Search provides suggestions as you type to help you find what you're looking for. Regarding virtual machines known issues, upon update to macOS 15.4 Beta 1, M4 Macs will be unable to launch virtual machines and attempts will result in a system restart. Workaround: do not launch virtual machines. If virtual machine applications launch upon login, boot to safe mode and disable in system settings. Regarding WebKit new features, WKWeb extension in Swift has been updated with async initializers for better concurrency and usability. Regarding URL session new features, to enable the new HTTP loading mode, set Uses Classic Loading Mode to false on URL session configuration. The new loading mode will become the default in a future release. If you're using macOS 15.4 Beta, you may run into some trouble with loading your installed driver extensions. No worries though. A simple workaround is to re-enable the affected driver extensions, and you'll be back on track in no time. Apple Silicon Macs with an internal SD card reader now warmly welcome SDUC cards larger than 2 TB, adding exciting new features for your storage needs. Lastly, talking about the writing tools known issues. After generating a list, key point, table, or summary in the popover, selecting Replace results in an error message. Workaround: the generated content can be copied and pasted. User can manually replace the selected text with the generated text. So that was all about this build. The rest of the build seems identical. If you want to know more, check out Apple's official documentation for macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 3. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.